Hi guys, welcome. Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I got liquid cooler for my uh, Ryzen 5 2600 CPU. So it's a it's a 240 a long radiator with the twin fans. It's from the brand called ID Cooling, and this one has RGB sync, and it can be controlled by motherboards from Asus, MSI, and Gigabyte. I didn't specifically buy it for the RGB, but it was quite quite well priced for a 240 radiator with RGB, so I just grabbed one. So yeah, so it's called Auraflow X240. Yeah, and so this one has, so this is the pump basically. It also has a ring RGB controlled. So the rubber tubing is sleeved with nylon threads. So that's the packaging, and that's the details. Yeah, these are technical, specific mechanical descriptions about the performance of the pump and the fan and the dimensions. So let's unbox it. Can I pull this out? Let's try it. It opens like a nice opening. Yep. So let's look into the back. So it's a lot in the package. So two 120 fans. That's the 240 radiator here. It's a square design. I mean square, perfectly rectangle, perfectly no rounded edges. It has perpendicular edges. And that's this pump, and this is the CPU mount, and also contains the pump. So there is some liquid inside. And it has SATA power supply. That's interesting. And I think this is the RGB, I suppose, or the fan header. Yep, this is the RGB header, and this is the power supply. We don't have any CPU fan header. So I think these are the mechanical screws, and yeah, the CPU mount. screws necessary for the CPU mount, and that's a lot of work, it looks like. What is this one for? They have some thermal paste. I think that's for the Intel. This is AMD. It's written AMD X8. I think this is for Intel maybe. More screws. We have 3 mounting brackets. This one is for Intel, this one is for AMD. What is this one? I think this is the back plate maybe. It goes behind the motherboard. So we have 2 mounting headers and 1 back. And we have 1 small box. Wow. We have more cables. This looks interesting. Why do we have cables? We have a RGB control header. In case you can give the power supply and use it as a remote. So, and what are these? So, these look like RGB extension cords maybe, in case you want to extend your RGB lighting system. You can use this maybe. We also have a user manual. Yep, that's the back plate, the Intel bracket, AMD bracket. It supports AM4 locations for each of the Intel and AMD sockets. Mine is Ryzen 5 2600 is AM4 socket. So I mainly got this because when I'm transcoding, encoding videos in Handbrake, the CPU reaches temperatures of like 95 and above, 98 sometimes. I wonder, I don't think there's a problem with the CPU heatsink. It's just that Handbrake is really CPU intensive and takes a lot of load, complete load of the CPU, and the heat is expected 90 degrees Celsius. So I'll try to update some review videos and see if this can bring the temperature of the video encoding down to maybe 60. Let's check it out. Thanks for maybe I could try to power this up and see if the lighting works. So I think you can see the color now. I'm changing it with the yep, that is get a lot of colors. I think it has 16.7 million colors. Yeah, of course, even the fans will be RGB, but you can test that one too. So this one has the CPU fan header. These fans are the CPU control. So the speed of these fans will be controlled by the motherboard. So basically, the headers we had here. So this is the extension. We connect it here. Yep. Now we have the fans LED. Yeah, I haven't connected the power supply for the fan, but it's not a ring, so it's basically in the center, the LED lights. Where's the point? This one I have to connect it to the CPU header, so we cannot test it right now. So yep, so that's the RGB. Thanks for watching. Bye.